Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Etsy asks you to confirm your seller info, it means the platform needs to verify your account details for security, tax compliance, or payment processing. This often happens when you open a shop, updates payout information, or when Etsy runs a routine security check. So this request can temporarily pause payouts or limit shop activity, but it's usually easy to resolve. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the confirm your seller info request on Etsy in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, understand why Etsy requested confirmation. So Etsy may ask you for seller info confirmation if you opened a new shop, you changed bank accounts details, you updated your address or name, Etsy performed a routine security check, your account activity triggered a verification review. So check for details in Etsy email notifications, shop manager notifications, or payment settings. So identify exactly what Etsy wants you to confirm. So first thing first, review your seller information. So before submitting confirmation, verify your account details. Check that these match your official documents, full legal name, residential address, date of birth, country of residence, and task information if requested. Okay, so information must match your bank account and identity documents exactly. Okay, you can also confirm your back end payments information. So Etsy payments requires valid payouts information. Verify bank account number, bank holder name, routine or IBAN number, and billing address. Okay, so the bank account's name must match your Etsy account name. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.